Hello, welcome to 30 days React challenge. This is day 5 and the problem statement is basic polling system. Your task is to build a simple polling system using React. This will be straightforward single component app where users can view, question and vote. Let me increase the font size actually. Okay. Instructions: initialize your component. Start by creating a functional component named poll component. Okay, we have to create a functional component here. Function poll component. This will be your primary component for this lab. Display the poll question. Create a h4 element with the id this. Let me return. Let's create a fragment in this, and in that let's start with this. id should be question. h4. Okay, this will be used to display the poll question in the to the user. Okay, set up your voting options. Set up 4 options: user, option, class. Okay, you will need to provide 4 different voting options to the user. For each option, create a button element. I think we can write question on our own. So let me write sample question option A, B, C, D. Okay, and in this structure, okay, option is there. You should have 2 spans. Okay, let's do this. The first span should display the name of the option. Okay, and pause. I'll just pause. Okay, let's continue. Got a call from insurance, that's why. Second one should be display the option, while the second should be a counter. Okay, we'll use this one and implement this immediately. Okay, let's do this. Let's use const option A set option A is equals to use state, and by default the value should be 0. I am assuming, I haven't checked this, and in this I'll use this. Okay, and I'll have to render this, so let's render this here. Okay, so now it is working. Now we have to make it functional. Before doing that, I'll add 2 spaces here just to keep it consistent. Now const, we will create one single function handle, or do we don't need this actually. On click set option A previous value, and in this we'll use previous value and +1. Okay, there is some error. Let's refresh and see. Too many re-renders. Okay, and we have used this class, so we'll use this class name. Now it's working great, so we can just use this same information again. Let's copy this and copy this, B C, D. Okay, now instead of option A, let's make it B, 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 C, 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 and finally D, D and D, and A, B. Okay, all of these are working. I'm not sure about the IDs and all, so I'll directly run the test case and see if something fails. Okay, so that's it. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.